Download latest XAMPP application. After downloading the XAMPP, install the software. Now run the XAMPP application and enable Apache and MySQL. Click on Admin page. Create a new database to store JSON data. Click on New Database and name it as Device. Create new table. You can also follow the table import method if tables exist. You can see the column like ID, date, time, J_data. Create DB user by setting the required privileges. Note the password. Now the Browse SDK and make the necessary changes in the DB connection page. It should be placed inside XAMPP's htdocs folder. Inside htdocs folder, create folder name called Device. Inside Device folder, here you can paste the updated SDK dbconnection.php, JSOnRetrieve.php and JSOnUpload.php API. Click on dbconnection.php file and set the database name and credentials. Browse the dbconnection.php file for testing the database connectivity. Here you can see all three .php files. Test the dbconnection.php page by clicking on it. Here it's not getting any errors, which means connections got established. Now test the upload API using Postman. Note the API URL. Check the result by browsing JSOnRetrieve.php. Create the JSON packets and post by clicking Send button. Check the result by browsing JSOnRetrieve.php. Now you're ready to configure the JSON URL to data logger using RDL Configuration Manager. After setting the post URL, we can observe the API polling by clicking Analyze. You can also check the updated data at server by browsing retrieve.php.